Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this very cute and teeny mini monogram letter S, and I have decorated it as a photo frame and also done the Deco Patch technique on this. This is looking super pretty and it's also very easy to make. You can stand it also on your desk for the decoration. So without any delay, let's start with the procedure. So to create my S alphabet, here I am taking alphabet punch board by Via Memory Keepers, and I am taking 3 by 5 inches white color cardstock to create the S alphabet. Now you have to insert this sheet exactly in the center on 2-inch line. Just align it with 2-inch line and punch it. Now rotate your sheet. So 1D should like this and 1D on opposite side. Again align with 2-inch line and punch it. So it should look like this. Now on this side you have some markings to make the cuts. So we have to cut this extended D part from this side. So you have to put your paper on these lines, and we have the cutter and the ball, so you have to just adjust the ball inside the groove and cut it on both the sides. Very easy to operate. Just cut this excess part. Similarly, we have to repeat the cutting portion on this side. So again I am doing the same process, and this is done. Now it's getting S shape little bit. Then here the half-inch line groove is given, so you have to align your S on this half-inch line. Then close your tab, take your cutter again, and we have to cut this right corner and the top left corner. Okay, so we have removed these two parts from this side and this side. Half inch portion we have cut. Now the cutting is done. Now it's time to just shape it to make the proper S shape. So just insert it diagonally from this and curve the corner like this. Similarly, we have to curve the inner parts. So just insert the S from center and do it from both the sides. And the S alphabet is ready, looking very precise and crisp. In the same way, I have prepared total 5 S using the same procedure, and now we have to join all these S alphabets together to make a thick stack of S alphabet. So just add little glue and join these all alphabet S together. Burnish each time using bone folder before adding another S. So the thick bunch of S alphabet is ready. It's quite sturdy and hard. Similarly, I have prepared one more S set using 5 alphabet of S. So we need 2 sets for one monogram. Now here I am taking white cardstock strip which measures 30 by 2.5 centimeters, and I'm going to wrap it around this S alphabet like this. So we have to add glue on this from the edge and start wrapping your strip around this. To stick the strip properly, we have created the thick bunch of S alphabet because we can't cut mount board or thick cardboard on the alphabet punch board. That's why we have to do this process if you are making the monogram like me. Burnish all the edges very well, hold it tight and shape it according to the curve of base shape. So this is completely done. It took me hardly 5 minutes to stick this. Now take second bunch of S and we have to stick it on the other part of the cardstock strip. So again I am adding glue on the edge of this and sticking it with the cardstock strip. For whole base of this monogram I am using 250 GSM white color cardstock. And this is completely done and it is looking very finished. Now we have to cover the remaining side. So I'm just extending it by adding one more strip of 30 by 2.5 centimeter white cardstock strip, and we have to just stick it between these two S just like we did before. It's super easy. Just add glue on both the sides and stick your strip on top of this. And it's completely done, looking very crisp. Now just fold the remaining portion on this by adding little glue, stick it very well, and your S monogram letter is ready. Very easy to make. In this way you can make any letter monogram of your choice. Now it's time to add the white gesso on this. Since I am doing decoupage work on this, so we have to prime the base before adding decoupage paper. That's why I am using white color gesso. So we have to apply the gesso all over this S monogram. Now I am taking this beautiful decoupage paper, and to stick this I am using Deco Magic Glue by Little Birdie. Just apply the glue all over the surface using flat brush and then stick your decoupage paper. stick the paper evenly and spread it using fingers firmly. Remove all the air bubbles and set it for few minutes. Now I'm taking sandpaper and just sanding all the edges. It will remove all excess paper from the edge. And this is done. In the same way I will going to do decoupage on other side. So it's done. Now it's time to color the inner edges. So for one side I am using light purple chalk paint. I have just mixed white and dark purple together to make this beautiful lilac shade. So just color it evenly and do it carefully. Don't color your decoupage area. We just need to color this white portion. Now on another side I am using light green color or pista color chalk paint. I have mixed green and white together to make this shade. So this is also done and the cute alphabet is ready. Now it's time to decorate the sides using some borders. So I have already added border on this green part and now I'm showing you how to add the border on the purple part. So just adding one more piece of border design with the previous one. Add glue exactly in the center of the border and then start sticking it on the middle part of the purple border. If you don't have border, you can also use crochet lace for this task. And this is done. Now here I am taking the beautiful picture and I have used the die. This is a frame die by Dress My Craft and inside that I have added the picture. So I am just sticking it on the right bottom part. So you can gift it to anyone by adding him or her picture to customize their own first name alphabet monogram with their picture. And now I'm just decorating the corners of the frame using some elements by Little Birdie. These are flower elements. I have just fussy cut each element And I'm just matching these flower with the theme of purple and green. That's why I'm using these element sheets. Little Birdie have huge variety of flower elements. You can check their website. I have given the link in description box of this particular design if you want to purchase. So I'm decorating both the corners and adding some leaves as well. Also adding the cute bunch butterfly in one corner. I have added green color half cut pearl in the center of butterfly, and now I am adding the sentiment trust your wings. This is the stamp by Little Birdie, one of the stamp, and I have just used white cardstock to stamp this. And also I'm adding cute purple color hearts in one corner. These are the shaker elements by Dress My Craft. So just to match with our theme, I am adding purple hearts. And it's looking super cute. So our monogram is ready and it's looking absolutely amazing and gorgeous. You can create it for your friends or your nearer ones. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.